Having the component form of vectors allows us to define a lot of operations based on those components. So we've got these two vectors v and w. You'll note that they're in boldface. And we've got their components. So the vector v is ab, vector w is cd, and k is some real number. First of all, the magnitude of a vector v is defined to be the square root of a squared plus b squared. Now this is not hard to see why this is. If I draw a vector v, and draw a right triangle, okay, with my horizontal component is length a, vertical is b, okay, then of course the length of the vector, the magnitude of it, we can see that the Pythagorean theorem holds there, and that's exactly what this here is saying. We could just square both sides and we would have the Pythagorean theorem. The sum of two vectors, the resultant, is we just take each component and add them. So a plus c, and then for our second component, b plus d. And finally, if we scale a vector by k, then that is, of course, just multiplying each component by k. So this is ka and kb. It doesn't matter if k is positive or negative. It could even be 0. This will still hold.